Hello friends, today we'll discuss some GATE questions which can be solved in a very less time in the GATE examination. There can be some shortcuts to solve these questions, so within a minute you can solve these kind of questions. So similar kind of question I am taking in this particular session. So there was one question asked in environmental engineering from civil engineering, and the question was asked in 2008, GATE 2008 from environmental engineering, and the question says the 5-day BOD of a wastewater sample is obtained as 190 milligrams per liter. So he's saying BOD 5 it is equal to 190 milligrams per liter, and then he says with K equal to, he's giving K equal to 0.01 R inverse. The very first thing from here we'll do is, since this is an R inverse and we know that the units of K it is taken in days inverse, so converting this hour inverse into days inverse, it will give you 0.24 day inverse. So this is your K value. Then he is asking the ultimate oxygen demand in milligrams per liter of the sample will be, that means he is asking what is the ultimate BOD. Ultimate BOD we know it is equal to L0. So let us take the full conventional method how to solve this particular question. So he says BOD 5 is this much, K is this much. We know that BOD 5 it is equal to L0 into 1 minus e to the power minus K into 5. Since time is 5 days, so this is, substitute BOD 5 equal to 190 milligrams per liter equal to L0 1 minus e to the power minus K value is 0.24 into 5. So from here L0 comes out to be equal to 271.89 milligrams per liter. And the options given for this question were, the option first is 3800, option 2 is 475, option C 271, and option D is 190. So this is the conventional method how to solve this particular question. So the answer is C. But since if you carefully look at the options, since these options are not very close, so what we can do is we can directly apply a shortcut. So the shortcut says, he's giving BOD 5. We know that BOD 5 it is equal to 68% of ultimate BOD. So directly from this relation we can calculate BOD, ultimate BOD. So it is 190 divided by 0.68, which is equal to BOD ultimate. This comes out to be equal to 279 milligrams per liter. So from here you will get a rough idea to which option your answer will be close. Since it is 279, you can directly mark 271. This is valid when the options are not close. So like this, if you see the options carefully, you can save your time in solving this particular kind of questions.